All right, we're gonna go over this real quick. Replace a switch. All right. So first of all, make sure the power's off. Don't work with the power on. And to double check, you could use a multimeter to make sure it's completely off. No crap. So I normally just cut the back and then redo the wire. And I like to buy the sockets, or the switches rather, with the holes in the back. So I literally just have to stick these suckers in. And black on black, it does not matter which one it goes in, top, bottom, it doesn't matter. All the switch is doing is it's completing the circuit. And obviously you want to make sure it's off when it's off and on, instead of it being like this. That would be abnormal. That's it. Put the plate back on and call it a day. Turn the power back on. That's it.